Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Huang Bros. My name is Barry, and today I'm going to finally make my suspension completely CKS. If you guys have been following the channel, I have a mix. I have like 7 brands of suspension parts in my suspension. I have Tane, Hypercool, Swift, Stanceparts, all that. I even have CKS in the back. I'm a fan of CKS suspension, and I plan to finally change all of my suspension to full CKS dampers, and that's what we're gonna do today. Take all those components off to put them on there. My buddy Steven here got here, started to help me out, loosen up all those 14mm nuts. Now we gotta get rid of the airline, which he helped me do, and now we're gonna get rid of this. This will be a 19 right here. Release this, and this right here, I don't know what that is. What is that, 17 back here? Yeah, oh, 17. So break this, and we're gonna take the strut out, along with taking this off too. To make this easier, I have to release pressure of the spring. So I'm going to raise this up to relieve pressure. That way I can remove the sway bar end link as well. Okay, that is released. Choose the 19. Now I'm gonna pull the bolt out. Easier said than done, but you know what? Full send. Oh yeah. Now we just gotta get the sway bar end link. Take this out and remove the end link. Ooh. Now to do this comfortably, easily, you have to have relief pressure. Let's remove the cotter pin. Oh gosh. Finger game not strong. There we go. All right, now we gotta remove this. 17 on there, lefty loosey. Okay, I'm gonna have to break this thing with a breaker bar. Too weak to pull on this thing, so we'll do that. Extend the pipe. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, there we go. Broke it. Well, not broke it, but like, you know, loosened it. Now, well, that's one way. That's one way. So now that that's flushed, we're gonna have to hit this with a hammer. This way, not this way. Not enough pressure. This way, and then you should see the gap close. Just like that, the gap closed. Now I'm gonna relieve tension. Okay, pull this out, and this coilover should come out. Just like that, success. And here we go. Just like that, we got it out. Nice. We got pressure relieved. Now we got the 19, lefty loosey. There we go. Got that out. All right, got this out. Now I have to get that. An extension, 17. And this should be released. Now we can release this. As long as you have the jackknife to release pressure. Bam. Now time to release this. There we go. Got that out. 17. That's released. Release it some more until it's flushed here. When it's flushed, now use the hammer and go to town. As you notice, the gap closed. That's what we want. And now we fully release everything. Okay, now we can take that off. Remove the other jack, push it load back, and then pull out. And just like that, we have our other coilover. Now that we have everything off, we're gonna take everything from here to put it over there. All right guys, we made it ABN Motorsports. We're gonna do some coilover surgery out here because I need an impact gun, and here we go. I'll have it disassembled. That way I can remember the process. Gotta remove that. Now let's put the components back together. The aftermath.
I'll win you, dude. They're the best shot. They're the best shot.
They are.
I shot them on Sunday. Did you like that? Where is it? Yeah, hey, you gotta get Stanceparts, bro. You gotta get your Stanceparts. That one worth it. How many games you guys lose before you win?
All right, all the components are transferred from the Tane to the CKS. All thanks to all thanks to ABM Motorsports here, and we are back to installing these. And just like that, we're back at Front Yard Motorsports. Now time to put this stuff back in. With my helper springs, I like to keep it at, yeah, 1.5 inches sounds good. 1.5 inches, because when this helper spring flattens, that's how much your car also drops. Take off the castle nuts, let it get released slowly, don't let it hit you in the face. Okay, feed this through.
You're probably gonna need the shock.
Yeah. Bush, or actually solid bushings down here, and then you're gonna install everything back together.
Good?
Yep.
It's kind of off, dude.
Trust us, it'll work. And it's going in. Oh, it's not ready. Once the jack is underneath, release pressure, push it all the way through. And put the other nut back. Connect the sway bar end link. Do a favor. Bam. Got my. Bam. Full send.
I get to drive it after this, right?
That's it. Alright, we got the fronts done. Now we gotta do the rears. When I said I was half and half, CKS damper and Tane rear.
disgusting.
Now, shut up. Now we're gonna fix this and replace it back with the CKS. Now that we got these. I was missing these. I had these, but I'm missing these. All right, got all the bolts loose and just drop it. Now I'm gonna replace this. Ow. And it's like, oh, there we go. Got it out. Now to put the CKS one back in. Put the solid bushings back and test these, and we'll test the height again. All right, I got the jack underneath. Now I'm gonna put the bolt straight back through. Bam. Now we gotta do this one. Lift that up and just jam it through. Sometimes you just gotta wrench it in. Bam, there we go. The 19's back in. I mean, my bad, yeah, actually they are the 19th. Now we tighten everything. This side is done. No change here, but we are finally all CKS. If anyone's wondering, this is actually a lot lighter than the Tane. And I swapped it out because this right here is I don't know, to me it looks like poly.
Just put them on the ground.
But this one is like,
See the big difference.
yeah. This one's a lot bigger than this one.
Do the other side so I can go home.
You're not true friend.
Oh.
All right guys, both the backs and rears are done. I got to get the wheel alignment because every time you do suspension, you always need a wheel alignment because the toe will be off. And if the toe is off, there goes your tires. But if you like what you saw and think you learned something today, or just a comment about what you think I should change, you know, just ask questions, I'll answer them.
Woo! Damn! I'm liking this.
We just did the CKS install, and I gotta say, it feels amazing being full CKS. The dampers in the front are amazing. They're soft, not soft. They are more firm than Tane, unfortunately. Sorry, Tane, but CKS, they're doing the dampers right. You just gotta get yourself a set. Like Steven, he had a set of CKS. He put RCFs on CKS on the map. I eventually got his set, and then got another set to accompany the rare set, and then everyone else now has CKS for RCFs, and it's amazing.
GSFs
and,
too.
Huh?
GSFs too.
GSFs too,
And
yeah.
I have it on my Supra.
Yeah, oh yeah. And the thing is, they're like a what, BMW specialist?
He
suspension?
specializes in BMW, but he does it. He can do it for everything.
Oh yeah.
Like, he does CTRs. He does Supras.
Oh, definitely.
Like, all of them.
And he's got a Supra now, an 890 Supra, and he's got CKS, and let me tell you, it feels really firm. You should go watch the video of me test driving. It's really good. And I talk about suspension all the time. So CKS is, I think, the way to go. What's your impression of the car after switching out?
Man, so riding in Barry's car before, it was, I don't want to say it was like really bouncy, but it was definitely a little more jarring.
It was bouncy. I'm gonna say it was bouncy.
Like,
the front was like, it was.
I didn't have a good time riding in it when he had the TNs, when he was playing with the settings.
Yeah.
But
I played with my suspension for a lot of times.
Once he swapped it, it feels really good.
Yeah. That was pretty smooth. I like that.
Yeah, you don't feel anything.
I can definitely understand now. I can definitely understand now what they mean about Tane being a softer suspension. I've had Tane for a good. I had Tane for 20K miles, and yeah, I'm pretty glad that I got CKS now. All right, guys, that's gonna conclude today's video for the CKS install on RCF. It's a really amazing. Again, they have for GSF, RCFs, other cars too. So check them out. I'll link their IG below, or actually in the video here. So, all right, guys, if you guys like what you saw, enjoyed the content, please give a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, help us grow the channel. Take care. Until next video. Peace.